picture. A million miles running, happy stuttering. I stumbled out the gate, then I realized nice guy had to make it mean. Had to show my ass, that's the only way to make a scene. I'm not invisible, though they try to make me seem the dopest individual. Flip vocals over trampolines. You see my focus, my motives is to trample teams. Flow is like the ocean, but I'm floating you that Dramamine.
Special thanks to everybody who sent me flowers on the 50th anniversary of hip-hop. It's always dope to be remembered and even better to be considered, especially when you've been away from the game for so long. But enough about a past life. What's going up, elevators? I'm F. Archer from King Boulevard in Wall Street. Welcome back to another episode of MUSA Market Sessions on the KBWS network. You're looking at the 4 steps to our MUSA model. So far we've mined, unpacked, and strategized our way into an interesting LT weekly grouping of tickers over this past couple episodes. Let's take a look at where we are as of Sunday, August 20th, 2023, and what we anticipate for this portfolio over the next several months. We've been on defense for the most part, at least so far in August. And if we consider what SPY's done over the past few weeks, down about 5%, it looks like the LT weekly strategy and the portfolio we've built over the past couple MUSA market sessions is doing pretty well against the market as a benchmark. We're up about 0.1%, basically flat. But again, the mode here was defense. The waiting looks a little wild for some of these names, but we're trusting the 10 stock commandments as the bedrock for the LT strategy. Stick to the plan. This plan projects a 3.4 reward ratio with a potential gain of 46% versus a 13% loss potential. But we mentioned defense. You just do the math on that. Mike Vicks is back on the scramble. We'll get into that after this. What you're about to witness is my thoughts. Anything that I may say, it's just what I was seeing at the time. I'm not advising anyone to do anything except your own due diligence. Except your own due diligence. That boy's still kicking them doubles. Yep. So Mike Vicks is on the scramble. But is that prime Dion going savage at the 21? Is that Chef cutting with the purple tape? We shall see. We're being strategic with our buying opportunities, but preparing for a markdown sale. Remember what we talked about before the disclaimer? We got cash at our disposal. Let's get ready to deploy some of that. We gave the rundown on SPY in previous episodes, but if you look at the chart right now, we're approaching the Tecmo Super Bowl line on the LT weekly strategy. We're not looking for entry here, but we may be looking to trim any previous positions that we took in order to prepare for our opportunity to buy somewhere between 424 and 417. Otherwise, we're just riding this wave. Nothing's putting 480 in jeopardy as of yet. As we start to break some critical supports, we'll have those discussions. That is an if statement. Not an if statement, but an if statement. Never mind. All around the world, it's the same song. Deja vu with the cues, however you want to state it. If we're out at 21, then we're looking for re-entry somewhere close to the gap. Let's say around 336. That's when we'll start paying attention again. Again, only if we're playing the LT strategy and we're out at the 21 for re-entry. It's 2023. We get on this finance kick and it puts us at an interesting juxtaposition. Everybody's talking bricks. Meanwhile, the dollar's stretching. That should tell you something. But let's look at this pop culture reference right quick. Drake's out here melting down Pharrell's gold to make a point. We still love it. In fact, we gonna die in these Cuban links. I think we only built for Cuban links. You know what I'm talking about? And real quick before we get out of here, I don't know if y'all caught the reference to bricks in 96, but we was talking it like it was a Jay-Z run. I hear the people talk. And while we're looking at IWM, I'm talking to the Bitcoin critics too. When my purple tape popped, that was around the time when X dropped. If you fly with me. I'm out, elevators.
Million miles ahead of my closest competition. You love it if you listen. You ask me what lift is. I'll tell you the story of one big kid, a boombox, a pen, and a dream. The fact my mind's racing, it's not a bad thing. In fact, my mind's racing, it's the sting for the machine. So full speed ahead, put the anchors on deck. We got a million more miles to go. We can't stop.
I said, shit, man, I don't know. I'm staring at the clock watching.